This video will cover questions and answers for Section A on the EDEXCEL GCSE Business Paper 1, the 2023 paper. Section A consists of multiple choice questions, 3-mark questions, a calculation question, and a 6-mark discuss question. There are no case studies in Section A. I'll be moving quite swiftly through these questions, so you can pause the video whenever you'd like to and work through the questions with me. Do check the link in the description box for model answers and more. Section A. Which one of the following could market mapping be used for? Select one answer. A. Identifying how many customers there are in a market. B. Identifying how many employees work in a business. C. Spotting where there is a gap in the market. Or D. To identify the location of a business. And the answer is C. Spotting where there is a gap in the market. Which one of the following is an impact of a decrease in interest rates? Select one answer. A. Businesses will borrow less money. B. Customers will borrow less money. C. Customers will borrow more money. Or D. Repayments on loans should go up. And the answer is C. Customers will borrow more money. Our first 3-marker. Explain one advantage of starting a business as a private limited company. Let's take a look at a possible answer. The owners would have limited liability. This means that any debts are the responsibility of the business. Therefore, the personal possessions of the owners will not have to be sold to pay the debts of the business. Another 3-mark question. Explain one way the internet may affect where a small business chooses to locate. And here is a possible answer. The business could choose a cheaper location. This is because the business can use e-commerce. As a result, the business may not require a physical retail location. Which two of the following are examples of customer needs? Select two answers. A. Choice. B. Profit. C. Quality. D. Risk. E. Taxation. And the answers are A. Choice and C. Quality. Next question. Which two of the following are roles of an entrepreneur? Select two answers. A. Going to university. B. Organising resources. C. Personal satisfaction. D. Taking risks. Or E. To be a sole trader. And the answers are B. Organising resources and D. Taking risks. Explain one way a small business could become more competitive. Now, here the examiners are looking for aspects such as USP, unique selling point, price, quality, convenience, location, product range, or customer service. So you can use any of those elements within your answer. Let's look at a possible answer. A small business could gain an advantage by charging lower prices. This would mean customers are more likely to buy the product because it is cheaper than other products. As a result, this would attract customers from its competitors as they want to save money. Explain one advantage to a small business of meeting its legal obligations. Now here is a possible answer. Employees will feel that the business is taking good care of them. Therefore, the business will have a more motivated workforce. This could lead to an increase in productivity. Which one of the following could a small business use to add value? Select one answer. A. Locate in a convenient place. B. pay a higher rate of taxation, C. reduce its cash inflows, or D. use a long-term source of finance? And the answer is A. locate in a convenient place. A calculation question. Figure 1 shows the number of units sold per month by a business from February to April. The selling price for each unit was £5.20. Now do take a look at figure 1. And the question reads as follows. Using the information in figure 1, calculate the revenue for March. You are advised to show your workings. Now in order to calculate the revenue, what we need to do is multiply price by quantity. So we know the price, the selling price for each unit was £5.20. And the question also asks us to calculate the revenue for March. So we can see that the number of units sold, the quantity, is 7,200. So it's £5.20 times by 7,200, which was the number of units sold in March. And the answer is £37,440. That is the revenue for March. Explain one disadvantage to a small business of not paying its employees on time. One disadvantage is that the employees will be demotivated. This means the productivity of the employees will decrease. Therefore, the business may experience issues with meeting customer orders. A source of finance question. Explain one advantage to a small business from using retained profit as a source of finance. Retained profit is a cheap source of finance. This is because interest is not paid on retained profit. Therefore, the business would not experience an increase in costs. A 6-mark question. Discuss the impact on a small business from adapting existing products to develop new business ideas. Now, if you do need tips on how to answer a 6-mark discuss question, again, do check the link in the description box. There's tips and an example too. Let's take a look at a possible answer to this question. So this is a mark scheme answer. Now, you could have written, let's look at the first bullet point, adapting existing products can take less time and creative input than creating original ideas. And then the new ideas can be brought to market ahead of competitor products and therefore provide a competitive advantage to a business. Or adapting existing products may not be as innovative as creating original ideas. Less innovative ideas may not fully meet changing customer needs. Therefore, customers may choose a new product from a competitor that has filled a gap in the market. Thank you for watching this video. The next 2 videos that will appear on the screen are what YouTube thinks you should watch next.